Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, Mary Maidenhell. Boom. So I finally got my Boxycharm. I got it a couple, maybe like 2 weeks ago, but I've been so freaking busy that today I'm filming like multiple videos. Yes, I have to do them on the weekends because I have, like I said before, a regular job, and yes, I'm wearing clothes. I'm not naked. I'm just wearing like a little hanging little top right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be fixing my hair in a little bit. So this is what you get, the honey bun over here. But anyways, so yeah, today I'm going to be reviewing my Boxycharm box. The other video that I have for the January 2020 box, that is my sister's Boxycharm, and I'm reviewing today mine. And let me tell you something. I opened it, and my box, it's freaking awesome. I think that my box is better than hers, and it's better than most of them out there that I've seen. Let me tell you something. I got a lot of cool stuff, products and stuff. I haven't even touched it. I did open it just to, you know, have a little peek. So yeah, sorry about this. My sister has a new puppy. And she attacked it. Yeah, she got to it. This one is actually a really good one. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. On this one, I'm gonna put it right here so you see. Look at all the stuff that I got. Like, from all the stuff that you could get, you got cool stuff. So they have the little card here, which I'll be reading in a little bit. But this box, it brought the blush and bronzer combo. It brought the Too Faced highlighter. It brought the mascara. It brought the other eyeshadow palette, because my sister's hers came with the Scarlet Dusk. I think this one's Scarlet Dawn or something like that. Dawn. I'll check it out in a little bit and let you know. And I got this, which I wanted it. I was ready to fight my sister for it, so I got it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive in it. I want to make this video cute and short. Yes. Okay, so I got the watermelon night face mask, the glow recipe watermelon glow sleeping mask. This smells so freaking good. It's just insane. I love it, and it's so great. And this one, it retails for $22. So there you're already getting the box, like I've said before. Then from the brand Wonder Beauty, I got the Treat for Two blush and bronzer duo. Yes. This one, it retails for $36. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I didn't open it, I just saw that it came with it. So yeah, it comes like this. You know, it had like the little, you know, carton, and then it opens like this. Oh, it had the little plastic in there. Yep, there it is. That is the little bronzer and blush. Now this palette, I don't know. I don't want to touch it. I'm going to probably give it away. I already got it all dirty. I'm probably going to give it away because it's not something that I usually use. This colors, and I don't like blush unless I'm using it for like something specific. So this one's going back in the box, and I'm probably going to give it away to whoever wants it. So I'm just going to put that there. Let's close that. I'm going to be, like I said, this is going to be a short and cute video. Okay, so then we got the mascara, which is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. Right here. Let me see if this focuses. There we go. That is there. This mascara, it is $25. It retails for $25. I did break the seal a little bit because I wanted to like see it, and it makes that little nice sound. And it looks like this. This is how the wand looks like. I'm excited about using this one. I'm already running out of mine, so I will be using this. But it retails for $25. I mean, like, come on, this better be super good. Then the other thing I got, which is the Too Faced Diamond Lights Fire Highlighter. Okay, now packaging level 2000. Now this one, it retails for $36. You're paying for the packaging because it's so cute, and then it's like a little diamond thing going on. This looks like a case where you can put stuff away. And look at this. I mean, attention to detail. Look at this. You just press that little button there right there, and look at the highlighter. I mean, that is super, super cute. Let me see if I can get it closer there. There it is. That is super cute for the price point, which is $36. That is a lot. And then it has, like, you know, Too Faced right here. I mean, I don't own a lot of stuff from Too Faced, maybe a couple of things, but it's not like my favorite brand, and it really isn't. Okay, so this one, this is different, which I'm super happy that this one's different, because my sister, she did give me the Scarlet Dusk. I do have a video of me doing a look with that palette, the Scarlet Dusk. So I'll probably put it at the end of the video. So I got the Vintage Dawn. So this one, I think it has like darker color or something, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. Yeah. Oh yeah, this one has, ooh, this one's a little dirty, but this is how it looks like. Let me take that off. I'm definitely keeping this one. This is super cute. I will be doing a look with, I mean, look at that sky blue color. And then they have the yellows, and then they have the Grand Canyon, which is like a dark burnt orange. And then they have that Horizon, which it looks very, very similar to the other palette, the Crimson color. But I am definitely trying this one out. This is amazing. So yeah, that is what I got on my Boxycharm. There is some stuff here, like I said, that I will be giving away. I didn't open up my sister's glow recipe. I will be using it. I was saving it to, you know, to do the video for it, because I want you guys to see that I got like the coolest stuff. I did. So this one, the glow recipe, watermelon glow, sleeping mask, glowing radiance and softening. Now this, let me see here. Pro tip, watermelon glow is highly natural to keep the formula ultra silky and its best. Take a moment to shake the formula up before each use. Yeah, this is very, very, very cute. Packaging is heavy. This brand, it sells stuff like really expensive, so it comes with like a little seal. Let me see if I can take it off. Oh, this smells so freaking good. It makes you just want to like put it over you and eat it. It is so good, so good. Okay, so the Too Faced highlighter, I don't want to touch it because I'm probably gonna give it away. So that's why this video is gonna be super short, because I'm excited. I got this box and I got all this really cool stuff, but some of the stuff is the stuff that I use, like the highlighters. I don't use it that much. Plus my sister, she was like, I'll give you the eyeshadow palette, but if you get the highlighter, I want it. So this one, I'm giving it to her. I'm giving it to her. She wanted it. She uses a lot of highlight. I don't that much. I've been using it a little bit more, but it's like, it's because of the videos. But I usually don't use it for going out. I do it for here, for entertainment, but not for this. So yeah, I got all this cool stuff for my January 2020 Boxycharm box. This is just super great. And if you're wondering, you know, how I did this look, I do have another video that I did earlier. This one was using the ColourPop Just My Luck palette. So if you want to go see it, I appreciate it. Go check it out. Give me a thumbs up. And on this one, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you just found me, then thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I want to reach more subscribers. I want to, like, you know, share my love and for makeup and for special effects as well, because I also do that. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my videos. I mean, I try to make them as fun as possible. This is me, this is what you get. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.